Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show how to recover deleted emu calls history. If you want to recover or restore your all deleted emu audio and video calls history, so let's see how to do that. And then tap on please, delete chat history, delete. And in this you can see, I can delete some emu calls history, but I can easily recover or restore my all deleted emu audio and video calls history. So let's see how to do that. So minimize it and go to my Google Play Store. All deleted messages recovery, please install this app and then open it. And in this you can see WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, Instagram, Viber, Facebook, Emu, Snapchat. And then you can choose and open Emu. And in this you can see my all deleted emu calls history, audio and video calls history, recover or restore in this here. And then open it. You can see my deleted all emu calls history, recover or restore in this here. And then go back. And in this way you can easily recover or restore your all deleted emu calls history and recover or restore all deleted emu audio and video calls history. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.